place now. Forget about the frozen mountains. They weren't your home. You have no home. This looks like a forest. You feel something strange here, something wonderful and new. What can it be? A new color? You want to have it, but it's not the moment yet. Everything can bounce on green ground. If you try to jump while bouncing, you will do just the opposite. This place is warmer. You don't feel as cold. Maybe you are not as empty as before. Maybe there's something. You are in the forest, a breathing place where the mere breeze feels. There's a huge difference between these magnificent trees and the inert rocks you left behind. But what can it be? What's the difference? You can't explain it. Another color. Another chance to learn something new. Another step to become something better. Green color will turn the surfaces bouncy and elastic. The higher you start, the higher you will bounce. There's no way to gain height while you are bouncing. You must think right before the first jump. You must think that a new color will make things easier, but it will probably make them harder. You have learned everything that you need. You can go back now and resume your journey. You like this place. You feel a little bit warmer here. What could have changed? Maybe it's just the world around you. Or maybe there's something awakening inside your lifeless body. You have a new color, but don't forget what you've already learned. It seems that they are everywhere. You are growing up. You can survive on your own. those monstrosities are vacuumors. They will never move, but don't get too close. Inside their mouths, there's pure void. They can absorb endlessly. They will never be filled. The void is creating new monsters. This is the Philior. They can create other monsters inside their bodies. The hungry Mundakars. Be wary of them. What is this? This doesn't belong to the void. What is this? This doesn't belong to the void. It was created by someone else. Maybe you can use them to your advantage. You found it. The reason why this place is so special. It is alive. Maybe you are alive too. You can think. That means you exist, doesn't it? This place could be your home, but you can't stay in the same place for long. The void is approaching. It's here. You can't run forever. Fear Death. Fear. Death. Oblivion. Surrender. Are you sure about escaping? Will you doom this forest as well? There's nothing to do